Subscribe the channel and press on the bell icon so that you will not miss any updates.
Hello friends, in today's video I am going to show you how to delete file with no extensions or 0 KB size on your Windows 10 or Windows Server machine. I was having this problem. I have one of this file available in my D drive. When I try to delete it, it says could not find this item. So I open this folder and check the file. File is without extension and size is 0 byte. If I try to delete single file, it is also not allowed to delete. So next thing I do is add extension in file. But it's not working. If I try to rename this file, it's also not working. So let me show you how to delete this file. So first thing you have to do, open command prompt window. So you have to go to Start, Programs, Accessories and Command Prompt. You want to make sure you are open this as administrator. So right click on it and click on Run as administrator. Now we have to go to that path where the file is located. My folder is available in D drive. I am typing D : to change drive. Now type CD and copy that address where the file is located and paste that path in command prompt and press enter. I have also tried to add file extension using command prompt, but it's not worked. Now final solution is type del double quotes double slash question mark slash and type the path with file name where the file is located. Then close the double quotes. Make sure file name is correct. If dot is showing in file name, you have to type dot with file name. For example, my file name is 1745 dot. Now press enter. Boom, it's deleted. I have already given this command in video description. You can copy from there. If you have any question or comments related to this video, drop them down below. For now, have a fantastic day. Goodbye.